Hi guys, today's topic is chains, branches and rings. So, in carbon compounds, these type of bonds will be there. For example, methane. What is the formula for methane? CH4. Next, ethane. Ethane means how many carbon will be there? 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen. Propane. What is the formula for propane? C3H8. And butane, C4H10. Like that, pentane, hexane, that and all will come. Now we are going to see the structural formula for these one. So I'm going to write one tabular column. Here name of the compound and formula for the compound and structure. So first one, what we will take? Methane. What is the formula for methane? CH4. Now write the structure. So one carbon atom. So carbon valency is 4. So it has 4 bond. Okay, single bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen. Now complete the hydrogen filling. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the structure for carbon compound of methane. Okay. And next, second one is ethane. Ethane. What is the molecular formula for ethane? Ce2H6. 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen. Now write the structural formula. How many carbon? 2 carbon. 1 and 2 carbon. Now complete the carbon valency. 1 bond is here, so balance 3 bond. 1, 2, 3. Here 1 bond is here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now fill the hydrogen here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now everything is complete. 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen, and carbon valency is also completed. So this is the structure for ethane. If you have any doubt in bond formation and completing the molecules means, you can see my previous video. In that video I clearly written about the bond completion. Okay. Now third one is what? Propane. Propane formula is what? C3H8. Okay. So how many carbon atom is here? 1, 2 and 3 carbon atom. So carbon valency here 1, 2, 3, 4. For this carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. For this carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now complete how many? 8 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now completed. Now fourth one. Fourth one is what? Butane. Butane formula is what? C4H10. So how many carbon atom will be there? 4 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now for this one valence is here 2, 3 and 4. For this one valence is here 2, 3 and 4. For this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. For this carbon 1, 2 and 3, 4. Now write the hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So it was completed. So this is the structures for the carbon compounds. Now there is two structure is possible for one carbon compound. For example, I am taking here butane. Butane, what is the formula? But means what? How many carbon atom will be there? 4 carbon atom. C4H10. This is the general molecular formula for this butane. This is molecular formula. Okay. And there is two possible carbon structures. Carbon skeleton structures will be there. Two structures. First, here how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. This type of one structure, and another one type also here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This type also one structure will be available for butane. Okay. This is first type of structure and this is second type of structure. There is two possible carbon skeleton structure will be available here. Now you have to complete the valency here. For this carbon 1 valence is here, balance 2, 3, 4, For this 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So I am writing hydrogen 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So totally 4 carbon and 10 hydrogen was completed here. Now here I have to complete. For this carbon 1 2 3 4. For this carbon 1 2 3 and only one will be there, 4. For this carbon 1 2 3 4. For this 1 2 3 4. Okay, now write balance hydrogen 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this is another possible structure for butanes. But this butane molecular formula is what? C4H10, but it has a different structural formula. Different structure it has. So this is known as structural isomers. This is known as structural isomers. Structural isomers. So what is mean by structural isomers? A compound which has the same molecular formula but have a different structural formula, but have a different structure. So that is known as structural isomers. Okay. Now we are going to see about cyclohexane. Why we are seeing here cyclohexane means not all the carbon compounds are in the form of chain formation. Chain formation means just like we saw, but also some compounds will be in the ring-like structure. For example, we are going to see about cyclohexane. Cyclohexane, what is the formula for cyclohexane means? C6H12. This is the molecular formula for cyclohexane. So I am going to write here the structure for cyclohexane. So how many carbon is here? 6 carbon is here. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the structure for cyclohexane. Now I am going to complete the valency. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. So complete the hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is the structure for cyclohexane. Why we are seeing here cyclohexane means not all the carbon atoms will be in the form of chain. It is also in a different forms like a ring structure. So this is an example. Now we are going to draw the electron dot structure for this cyclohexane. Electron dot structure for this cyclohexane. If you have any doubt in electron dot structure means in my previous video I have written about the electron dot structure for simple compounds such as methane, ethane. For this and all simple compounds, for this compounds I written the electron dot structure clearly in my previous video. I give the link in the description box. You can see that one. From the simple compounds you can draw this like of some biggest compound. Now we will draw for this one. Okay. Now for the electron sharing, the carbon will be written like this. Look at these in this shape. We are going to draw one carbon and here another carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon and sixth carbon. Remember this one, you can write this one easily. Carbon, 6 carbon is present here. Now this each of the carbon is sharing one electron from to another carbon. This carbon is sharing one electron to this carbon and this also sharing with this one. This also one electron, this also one electron. So here one carbon is attached with 2 hydrogen. So you have to write 2 hydrogen here. One hydrogen, another hydrogen. One hydrogen, another hydrogen. So each of the carbon atom is sharing electron between two hydrogens. So write here hydrogen. Now this is sharing, this carbon is sharing one electron with this hydrogen also. And this hydrogen is sharing one electron. So if you think this is a toughest diagram, means you can see in the previous video for simplest molecular electron dot structure, then you come and see this will be very easy. Okay. Now I said already there is a chain formation and another different structures. It is not only in a straight chain formation. It is also a branched chain formation and cyclic carbon compounds. So it has a different structures. All may be saturated compound or unsaturated compound. Okay. Now another example, benzene. Benzene formula is C6H6. For cyclohexane, C6H12 is the formula, but here benzene C6H6 is the formula. So I'm going to write here benzene. Benzene C6, 1 carbon atom, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now how many hydrogen? Only 6 hydrogen. Previously, if we have to complete the valency, means what we will write here, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. For here 1, 2, 3 and 4, we will write here hydrogen. So if we write like that, means totally 12 hydrogen will come, like cyclohexane. If we are completing the valency of carbon, means 1, 2, 3, 4, we will write here another one bond and we will write here hydrogen. So totally like this we written, means totally 12 hydrogen will be there. But this is not cyclohexane, this is benzene. Only 6 hydrogen will be there. So 6 hydrogen means you will write only one single bond and you will write hydrogen. Only one single bond and you will write hydrogen. Only one single bond, hydrogen. Only one single bond, hydrogen. So this like only you will write. This is not bond, ma. This is not bond. Okay. This is single bond. So totally 6 hydrogen is completed. Now 6 carbon is completed, 6 hydrogen is completed. But valency is not completed. So you have to complete the valency here. So carbon 1, 2, 3 valency. So 4 valency I am going to write here. Another one bond, double bond. Another one bond, double bond. Now check for this carbon 1, 2, 3. If I write here double bond, means this carbon is already completed. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I write here another double bond, means 5 valency will come. But no, only 4 valency is allowed. So I am writing here double bond. Now check for this carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is completed. Now for check here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also completed. Now check here. 1, 2, 3. So another one double bond I have to write. I am writing here. Not I am writing here. Here I written means nearby another double bond. Check. For example, here I written means carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will come. But not. Only 4 valency. So I am not writing here. I am just writing here. So clearly I will write again. For benzene C6H6 formula, so totally 6 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 hydrogen only, so one hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 hydrogen. Okay. Now for valency completion, I am writing double bond here. 1, 2 and 3. Now check, everything will be completed perfectly. So this is the formula for benzene. Thank you.